this is the last video for the week 4 homework. On problem 4-4, we need to use the wage bracket method to find the information of how much federal income tax is going to be withheld. So again, we're going to use the T pages in the back of your book. And so this is just like going to be what we did for 4-1. So we're going to have Ed Boone. He's married. He has one allowance, and he's paid weekly. So we're going to go to weekly married. This one is weekly single. Again, this is the 2015 edition of the book. So the amounts that I have on the screen are actually going to be a little different than what's in your textbook. So he is married, weekly, one allowance, and he's paid $12.50. So we're going to go at least $1,250, not greater than $1,260. And remember, the first column is 0 allowances. So we have 0, 1. So it's, according to this edition of the book, it's 135. If you are looking in your textbook at $12.50, should be 134, so it's just a little different. So you're going to do 134, and you're going to repeat the same process. There will be one individual that has nothing withheld, just so you have a heads up. But then there's also one employee that you're going to have to use the percentage method to calculate their federal income taxes because they make too much money to be covered under the wage bracket method. So just to give you a heads up. So let's go on to Ray Ortega. Single, one allowance, weekly, $6.95. So we're going to go back to the previous page. Single, $6.95. So at least $690, but less than $700. He has one allowance, so according to this edition, he's going to have 78. According to your textbook, it will be 77. Carl Lopez is single, 3 allowances, $19.15. So at least 910, less than 920. And he has 3. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. So this says it should be 88. According to our textbook, it's going to be 87. And then married monthly, we're just going to find the one, instead of saying single weekly, we're going to find the one that says single monthly. And it's used the exact same way. So we're at single biweekly, married biweekly. Single monthly should be the next one. Oops, single semi-monthly. Married semi-monthly. Single monthly. And then married monthly. It is married, 6 allowances, paid monthly, $570. So at least, again, I would highly recommend that you print these out. So we have 5,040 to 5,080, so it's going to be within this row. And it was 6 allowances, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So according to this edition, it's going to be 282. If we look at our textbook, it's 275, so it's just a little bit different still. And you're just going to repeat the process for the rest of these. And again, on this example, you're actually going to have John Gleam, because he has 8 allowances. He's actually going to have 0 withholdings. This example does not show an employee using the percentage method. However, on your homework for Jim Singer, you're going to have to use the percentage method to calculate his federal income tax, but everybody else will be done using the wage bracket method. If you have any questions, let me know.